Let's talk about a stark reality today. In less than 12 months, the GPU that you have owned would be the last affordable gaming equipment that you ever might be able to purchase. By 2027, the shift towards AI-dominated market would absolutely crush the gaming industry. Nvidia isn't just launching new tech, they are abandoning the elite gamers club that they built in order to fund their new data centers. Okay, that was kind of like dramatic, but let's talk about this for real now. What if I told you Nvidia didn't actually now care about the gaming industry at all? For decades, GPUs were built so that they could push more performance, they could perform better at ray tracing, more frames, more FPS and whatnot. But now the dynamics and the paradigm has changed a bit. Nvidia is reportedly directing all of its new flagship technologies or all of their chipsets, their graphics card into something which would generate them more profits. And that decision is creating winners, losers, and a massive silicon shortages. I welcome you to Silicon Hunger Games. Oh my god, it's really hot. Every Nvidia card starts its life on a silicon wafer. The problem is that advanced wafers are limited and AI companies are willing to pay more than ever gamers could. A high-end graphics card might be selling for around $1,000 or something, but that is something gamers still thought they could afford. But on the same path, if they supply directly to these AI giants, they are ready to pay more than that, maybe 100% more to that. So when Nvidia decides where their next wafer is going, the answer becomes pretty obvious. That means more production is being done for the enterprise chips that will be serving the AI industry in contrast to what they were actually known for before. So in a way, they are kind of abandoning their gamers. Ridiculously stupid it is for no one to exist right now that would come in, clutch this whole scenario and provide into this gap. Gladly, I don't have so much money so that I could be, making up wafers and providing to the gaming industry forever. Oh my god. Older GPUs were compared on the benchmarks about how many frames can it push, how good it is in ray tracing, how much good is their card when it comes to CPU throttling. But today, AI chips are measured on a different benchmark. How many tokens can they produce? How efficiently can they run the models? And the fun fact is, modern architecture in which Nvidia is leading into is focusing more on the AI throughput than actually pushing on to develop something that would provide better FPS, ray tracing, and all of the things that are mattered for the gaming industry. Gaming is no longer an objective for them. It's the AI. But processors aren't the only thing that is changing. Memory manufacturers are kind of leaning into the same direction. The hottest kind of memory in the market has been DDR7. But now that's not the case anymore. Now what we are talking about are HBMs, high bandwidth memories, which are AI focused primarily. HBM4 delivers enormous bandwidth for AI training and inference, making it an essential hardware for next-gen data centers. So a memory making company is not only making money with the help of HBMs and directly supplying it to the AI giants, they're also making money off of the demand of the gamers because the production of the video cards that are required for gaming are also less. Semiconductor industry is going through a massive shift. Today, the questions for graphics card remain whether or not it can run the highest ended model or not, and the question has become less about can it run Crysis, and that's called the AI Hunger Games.